Hello, my beautiful fashion lovers, my beautiful fashionistas. Welcome back again to my channel. Thank you for always tuning in to watch my videos. Please, God bless you so much. To my new subscribers, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's go into this simple tutorial on how to do this beautiful Nunu gown. Okay, so we'll be starting by measuring the length of our gown and the circumference. And the circumference, we are going to use our across front and across back. The circumference of our cross front and across back all together, that's what you're going to measure. This cloth is not starting from the shoulder, it's starting from our cross front and our cross back, that is on our chest or on our breast. Okay, so go ahead to make measurements of that. Then once you're done, once you get what you want to work with there, then you measure the length you want to work with. Okay, you're going to measure the length you want to work with, which mine I use 35 plus folding, and folding for up and folding for down I use 35 because I want it to be short. Okay, then you go ahead to mark out the circumference of that across front and back that you measured. Okay, I think for mine I used 60 something. Yeah, I use 60 something because you know it's a gather something like gathers. So once you gather it, it will still form something beautiful. Okay, now go ahead and hold the two edges this way. Go ahead, hold the two edges this way, then you make a stitch to close it up like this. Okay, we just need a big circle. That's what you're going to need after you close it up this way. After closing up, you go ahead to fold it up. The upside, you're going to use 0.5 inch to fold it. Then the downside too, you're going to hem it with 0.5. Okay, the up and down, you're going to hem the both together. All right, so that's what I will go ahead to my machine now and do, and I'll bring it back for us to see. So now I'm done hemming the up and I'm done hemming the downside. As you can see here, I'm done hemming, I'm done folding in with 0.5 inches for the both. Okay, yeah, so once this is done, we'll now start to sew the strap we're going to use. So this particular strap, depending on what you want, okay, how long you want yours to be. For me, I think I use 60, yes, or 55. Yeah, so that is the measurement I use for my own. So if you want yours longer, if you want it lesser, you go ahead with that. So, and the wideness I use 2 inches. So that 2 inches I will use 0.5 to fold in, like to sew. Then the remaining 1.5 I will use it to turn it out. All right, so I will go ahead now and close up the strap this way, and I'll bring it for us to see. So now I'm done stitching the strap and I've gone ahead to turn it out. I believe all of us, we know how to turn out a strap, and this is what we have after turning out the strap. Yeah, this is what we have. If you want your own strap bigger or lesser, you can reduce or increase the measurement. Okay, so now get the upside, that is the upside, hold it this way to make a notch at the end, like the middle of it. That's where you're going to make a notch. The middle of that is the center of your nipple to nipple. That is what you're going to notch here. That is the round of that circle where you want it to face at the front. That is where you're going to notch. You mark the center and notch it this way. You're going to notch an opening this way. So it's through that opening you're going to fix in your thread, like this rope. Sorry, you're going to fix in this your rope. You can use needle to fix it in, or you look for a loop turner and use it to fix the rope inside this place. Okay, that is basically it, and this is the final of the beautiful gown. Go ahead to wear it on and tie it on your neck. Okay, that is just it. You will see the outcome of this once I slay it. Now you will see the next video how I slay it and how beautiful this gown was. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video for others to benefit. Don't forget to like, and again, don't forget to comment. Okay, whatever you notice, please try and comment on my comment section. Definitely handle the comments, okay? Please, and comment with love, right? Thank you so much for always listening to watch my. I still have the video of this earring on my channel, so you can go and check out the video if you want to make something beautiful like this for yourself, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and see you all in my next video. Bye.